Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell P25G. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your laptop sounds like a jet engine and is overheating, you're not alone. This issue typically arises from dust accumulation within the cooling system, which impairs airflow and causes the processor to overheat. If left unchecked, this can lead to permanent damage to your laptop's internal components, significantly reducing its lifespan. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, compressed air for cleaning, and thermal paste for reapplication. First, ensure the laptop is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a flat, static-free surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back cover carefully. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back cover to expose the internal components. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to help pry it open gently, being cautious not to damage any clips. Inside, locate the cooling fan, which is often situated near the heat sink. This is the component that is likely causing the noise and overheating. Disconnect the fan cable by gently pulling it from the motherboard. Now, remove the screws securing the fan in place. Take your time here, as applying too much force can damage the fan or the motherboard. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the fan out of its housing. This is where the compressed air comes in handy. Use it to blow out any dust and debris from the fan and the heat sink. Be thorough, as this will help improve airflow when you reassemble everything. After cleaning, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU, spreading it evenly. This helps in better heat dissipation. Now, place the new or cleaned fan back into its housing and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the fan cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly in place. Next, replace the back cover of the laptop, aligning it properly before securing it with the screws you set aside earlier. Remember, if at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, it's advisable to clean your laptop's internals regularly, ideally every 6 months. Additionally, using your laptop on hard surfaces, rather than soft ones like beds or sofas, can help maintain better airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.